Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check planners on the Goodnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and go to the left bar at the screen. You can find the fourth option, the marketplace, under the shared option. And in the top bar at the screen you can find the fourth option, the planners. Click that. Just wait 5 seconds because that's a little bit slowly. But here you can find different type of planners: dated planner, Monday start, monthly planner, daily planner, and others. You can select another one, for example, and you can buy it and you can use. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.